If you're tired of new builds that feel cramped, this one's going to surprise you. Built in 2015 in the Bridges community of Auburn, this place gives you room to breathe. Over 2,300 square feet, a fenced backyard, and fresh paint, so it actually feels move-in ready. You've got LVP flooring, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, a big pantry, and every bedroom has a walk-in closet. And just wait until you see the primary suite closet. It's incredible. A covered patio, gas fireplace. It's comfortable, simple, and it just works. If you want to jump into something that's not outdated, this is a smart move. Let's go see it.